Hey, let me ask you a question. Do you have a website? If you don't, then it's a very big mistake. You should have a website. Now, you must have excuses that what can we do by having a website, or it is not free, we have to pay for it, or you must have some excuses like we have to learn too much coding for building a website. See, first of all, if you create a website, it helps you a lot in your future because it makes you different from others. Basically, if you create one website, then it shows your creativity. Um, and the next thing, the next excuse which most of the people gives is websites aren't free to build. And also, we need to learn a lot of coding to build websites. You should learn coding like JavaScript and HTML, CSS to build a website. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create any website without coding and for free of cost. So let's get started. By the way, on my channel, I've also created another video on how to create a free website without any coding, and as I told you, absolutely for free of cost. You can see this here. I think that was in Hindi language, so maybe you could find it difficult to understand, but there I've also used WordPress and a site called coffeehouse.com to create that website. Here you will build one website for totally free of cost. Here you will use a site called 000webhost.com, and we'll use Hostinger and the WordPress app, which is an open source free website builder. That when you build a free website, it has some limitations. Like it will be not that professional. You can get unlimited bandwidth, it will be very less, and you can get long support for your website, and you'll get low traffic, of course. So if you want something professional website, or if you want high traffic in your website, or else if you want high bandwidth, big storage in your website, or something else, then you have to get a subscription for it. Like it won't be too much money. It will cost you like $2 a month. So yes. So right now we will build a website for totally free of cost and without any coding. So let's get to the complete screen. Let's Alright, so on my screen I will open Google Chrome and I will search for the 000webhost.com. Press enter and it will analyze your browser because of the DDoS protection on their website. And here we go, this is the website. From here you can just click on the get started option right here, and you'll get some of the subscriptions like the free web hosting, which is $0, single share hosting, premier share hosting. So you can just buy them by adding them to cart, and the free web hosting will just take that one only. So it has only one website, 300 MB disk space, limited bandwidth of 3 GB, no email account, and 24/7 support. And I'll just click on free sign up. So take us to the sign up page where we have to sign up for building our website. And from here you can get the you have to give your email account, and you have to set password. I'll just hide them, and then you have to sign up for your account. Alright. Um, let's just sign up. Click on this button. So now I will analyze for a little bit of time, just like that. Alright. So this page here, children, we have sent a confirmation email. So we'll open mail.google.com and just see that email. Here, get this button to click to verify your email. So you have to just verify your email using this button, and then you can install WordPress by clicking on the select button right there. Now you have to install WordPress by creating a WordPress account. You have to give your a username, password, and you have to set a language. And then you can just click on the install option to install it. So take a minute or two to get installed. Let's go for it. Let's go to configuration page. Alright, now you have to give that username and password which we have just set. So just hide them. It's not a very long process anyways. You can do it very easily in 10 minutes. Alright, so let's log in. So it's done. Okay, there are some ads. Let's just close it. So you can see this is our website. I'll just copy the site and I'll just go to a new tab and I'll paste in Google. Alright, so this is our website. Nothing right there because we haven't customized it till here. First of all, customize it. First customize the theme. Look at the appearance and themes. Alright, and from here, I'll go to add new theme. So it took us to this page, and you can just choose any of the theme which you like. I really like this one. Alright. So just click on the install option. So it will just install it for quite a few seconds, and then click on activate to activate this theme on your site. Now let's again go to the site, and I'll just reload the site. Alright, so you can see its theme has been changed. Alright, so that's it. Now you can change many things right there. Alright, so like this you can create a website in just some minutes, and you can just customize them. If you want to know more about customizing, as I have told you earlier, I've already created one video on how to create a website, and there also I've used WordPress as well using a site called freehost.com. So you can watch this video right here, or I've also given the link in the description box below. You can see how I have customized my site using that. Alright, that's it. I hope you like this video. If you did, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to the channel with the bell icon. It really motivates me to make this kind of videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then,